Yes, it is true. The iPhone possesses a hidden gem that can liberate you from the clutches of tedious paperwork. The Notes app scanning feature is a wondrous tool that allows you to bid farewell to the traditional scanner and embrace the convenience of a portable scanning experience. To embark on this paperless journey, simply open the Notes app on your iPhone. Create a new note, and as you marvel at the blank canvas before you, cast your gaze upon the camera icon. Tap it gently, and behold the options that unfurl before your eyes. Among them, you shall find the enchanting Scan Documents feature. As you select this mystical option, your iPhone is transformed into a trusty scanner. Align the document you wish to scan within the frame that appears on the screen. Fear not, for the iPhone possesses a keen eye for precision. With a gentle tap, the camera captures the image, preserving your document in digital form. But wait, my friend, there is more. The iPhone's scanning prowess extends beyond mere capture. It bestows upon you the power to crop and enhance your scans. With a flick of your finger, you can trim the excess and focus on what truly matters. Should the lighting be less than ideal, fear not, for the iPhone's wizardry can enhance the clarity of your scans, ensuring legibility and quality. So, my dear companion, embrace this newfound knowledge and bid farewell to the shackles of paperwork. Let the Notes app scanning feature be your guide into a world of convenience and efficiency. Transform your iPhone into a portable scanner and marvel at the wonders it unveils. May your scanning adventures be swift and your paperwork disappear like whispers in the wind.